Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Neha Gupta from Medieval Fertility, Safdarjung Enclave, Ashlok Hospital. Today we are going to talk about what are the treatment options that are available for a couple who is suffering from infertility. So if any couple walks into our clinic and they have been trying for 1 year with unprotected intercourse and still if they are not able to conceive, we call it as infertility. Or if they have had one previous pregnancy, be it normal pregnancy, or if it would have landed up in an abortion or an ectopic pregnancy, but still they are not able to conceive now, then we call it as secondary infertility. So if there is infertility, we have to understand what are the causes of infertility and what are the treatment options that we have. So if we talk about the causes, we all know that the most common causes for a couple not conceiving could be a tubal factor, wherein the fallopian tubes are blocked, or it can be a uterine factor, that the uterus lining is distorted. Maybe there are multiple fibroids, or there is a polyp in the uterus, or there is Asherman syndrome where the uterine endometrium doesn't grow at all. Or they can be ovarian factors as in women who have PCOD, where the egg doesn't grow, there is anovulation, or in women who have premature ovarian failure or very low egg reserve, where the egg quality is compromised. We do not have too many eggs or too healthy eggs for a normal pregnancy to happen. Otherwise, there can be a male factor. So a male factor also is very, very important. It contributes to 40% of infertility in a couple. So any reduced semen count, reduced volume, reduced motility, morphology, or azoospermia, where there is no sperm that are there in the ejaculate, all these problems can lead to infertility. If we talk about the treatment options, we have to understand the cause. The first thing that a doctor does when you walk into a clinic of an infertility specialist is to find out the diagnosis. What is the cause of infertility? Accordingly, we advise you the treatment. So if we talk about the treatment, there are multiple treatment options. We can treat anovulation with the help of simple medicines for egg growth. If there is any tubal factor, we can do a good analysis, and if it is needed, we can advise you for a laparoscopic surgery where we can correct your tubes by tubal cannulation or adhesiolysis. If there is any uterine factor like severe adenomyosis or fibroids, they can be laparoscopically corrected and the uterine volume and can be restored. Similarly, if there is any male factors, then it depends what is the factor. If it is correctable, we can treat it with medicines. If there is an obstructive azoospermia, we can even offer you a surgery where we cause anastomosis and there can be a normal semen count that can be there. Or in certain cases, we can even tell you to do a TESE or a micro TESE. So depending on what exactly is the problem, the doctor advises the treatment. If we talk about the basket that we have to offer for an infertile couple, we can start with basic drugs, basic medicines, lifestyle modification, counseling, telling you what is the best time to have normal contact, then laparoscopies or hysteroscopies, these fertility enhancing surgeries. Apart from that, we can do an IUI, which is a basic treatment, an OPD based treatment where we just wash the sperm and put it in the uterus at the correct time at the correct place, or an IVF or a test tube baby. So IVF also has a wide spectrum of treatment wherein we can do a self cycle of IVF, we can do a donor cycle of IVF, or an IVF with self egg, donor sperm, or an IVF wherein we need an embryo donation. Apart from IVF, we can also do surrogacy in certain cases where the woman is not fit to carry forward the pregnancy, or there are multiple uterine factors. Those women can be helped with surrogacy. The multiple advancements that are happening in women who have undergone these treatments and still they are not able to conceive, there are multiple other things that can be done. So if you have any problem in conceiving, please go and meet the fertility specialist. They will be able to do the basic test and find out what is the problem and advise you the best treatment that is suited for you according to your age and your reports. If you have any queries, any questions that you would want to ask us, we would be very happy to answer. You can call us or you can put your comments in the comment box. Thank you so much.